Hi all, this is Nirmal from Mindfire Solutions India. So today I am going to demonstrate how to detect a pointing device in an Windows Store app. So the reason of detecting a pointing device can be sometimes we need to write programs basing upon the pointing device detected. Let's say I am using a mouse or I am using a touch sensitive screen. So in that scenario my finger touch is the pointing device. Maybe I am using some screen where I need to use the that light pen. So at that point the pen is one of the pointing device. So it may happen in a scenario where we need to write the application basing upon the pointing device we have. So in order to detect the pointing device, we have WinJS has this events ms pointer. So anyway, before going into the code in depth, I'm trying to run this application. So here I have a span which says touch or click me. So I'm going to click here. I'm using a laptop with a mouse. So now I can see this mouse and it says mouse detected. So even if I'm going to use a touch screen, then on touch of it I can see the touch image and says touch detected. So in order to do the same, we have here a HTML file where we have a span. This span has it has an ID and a class just to make it appear bold and bright on screen. So here the hardcode text which says touch me or click me, and here is the image which displays the mouse and the touch image. So just the css file to make it a bit fancy. So here the js file. In js file we have written everything on app ready just to demonstrate the same. So we have taken we are trying to get the spn device with the span. You can see here this is the span. We are trying to get the span from the DOM element we have. Now here we got it, and this is the image control here with the image device. So image control, and we are trying to get it from the DOM element. We got it. Now we are trying to add a event listener to this span. So we are trying to handle the ms pointer down event on which will detect the pointing device. So first we are trying to detect the point on which this event occurred. It says windows.ui.input.pointer point dot get current point. So this will get the current point where the event occurred. So it can handle the click, the mouse down, mouse pointer down, and also it can handle the touch event. So now basing upon this, so if we see here, it returns the particular points, and basing upon that we can detect the device and the device types. So we'll put this device types here in a switch case. So here we are detecting this is a well-defined enum from Windows device input pointer device type. So we can detect it's a mouse, it's a touch, or it's a pen. So basing upon that we are just trying to write in the inner HTML mouse detected and trying to show the image there, the mouse image, and here touch detected, and we says this is the touch.jpg in the image control, and here pen detected, and we are just trying to display a pen image. And if nothing is detected, which usually happens in a very rare case, if nothing detected, then no device detected yet. So let's run it again. Here we have nothing. We just show here the default text touch and click, and as I mentioned, I'm using the laptop with mouse and click. It says mouse detected with a mouse image. So if we I could have used a touch sensitive screen where I can touch it and it will display the touch image as well. Same for the pen. I think this is how we can detect a pointing device. Hope you have enjoyed. Thanks a lot.